Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss very important topic, how to write better code in any programming language is concerned. Also discuss 5 different important tricks in coding in any programming language is concerned. How to write good program in interview or any internship. So friends, I will discuss today 5 basic and very important tricks in coding, which is very much helpful to improve coding technique in different languages is concerned, right? So first one, meaningful name of variables and functions. Normally, we write as a variable name ABC like A1, B1, C1, some array name like ARR and then third bracket open close, but these are not actually a meaningful name for variable name is concerned. Okay, the meaningful name like count, age, price, weight, and for array name is concerned like student name, right? So these are all of the meaningful name of variable name is concerned, right? Similar way, if we talk about the functions, meaningful function, we normally use fun1, fun2 like that, but they are not meaningful. For good coding or better coding, we need to improve. Just go for meaningful name for variable name is concerned and also simultaneously function name is concerned. So we can put the function name like get data, display, which have some meaning. Okay, but somehow when you are using the variable name within the for loop or some conditional statement like that, suppose if we write, for example, for and within parentheses int I equals 0 semicolon and then just write I less than j semicolon I plus plus. So these are permissible, right? Means here we can write this variable name like I, j, temp, ABC here. When we are using some function argument or some for, some if, we are using some variable, then we can use this ABC, temp, I, j, k, etc. Okay, and somehow also should know when we declare some constant. Suppose we write pi equal 3.14. So in that case, it should be capital. Means P and I should be capital because here pi have some constant value and the value is 3.14, which is used throughout the coding, whatever the programming language you are using. Okay, so when we are using some constant, then we are using this type of syntax. When we are using some constant, then we are using like that, pi in capital, right? So this is your first trick. Okay, now we talk about our second trick, which is cases in programming. Actually, there are 3 types of cases in programming language is concerned or our coding technique is concerned. One is your camel case, second one snake case, and third one Pascal case. And what are that? Camel case, just see, for there 2 words is there, camel and case. First word, first character is a small, but the second word, first character is capital. So in that way it is going on. Like example, student name, student S is small but name N is capital. Same way when we declare some function or method get data, G is small but after data the D is capital. So this technique is known as camel case. Normally C++, Java use this type of cases. Okay. Now second one, snake case. And here what happened, we are using small letter for what is concerned and just join these 2 words using underscore character. Just see student underscore name and all are small, means lowercase. Same way, when you declare some function like get underscore data, means this is known as a snake case. Normally this is used in Python language, and another case is there, Pascal case, where what happens when we are using some two words, each word first character is capital, like student name, S is capital, N is capital, get data, G is capital, D is capital. So some programming languages using this camel case, some programming languages using snake case, and some programming languages using Pascal case, right? And also in Java, what happens when you are declaring some class like class student, and in that case student is used as a Pascal case. Means in Java, when we are declaring some class name, it should be Pascal case. And don't be confused, we don't use mixture of these cases in a single language code. Means when you write a program, don't use a mixture of camel case, snake case, or Pascal case simultaneously. Whatever the convention of a language is concerned, we can use. Like Java have the convention, some part we are using camel case, some part we are using Pascal case. But some languages do this type of convention, but not the all languages. So we don't go for all cases in a single language coding technique, right? Now the third one is curly braces. Normally when we write a for loop or while loop or some if else statement or conditional statement, we are using these curly braces. Like what happens, suppose we write if, and suppose just check a greater than b, and then we have put these curly braces, and within these curly braces we just provide lots of statement, means more than one statement. But it is convention, or if it's a good programming or better programming is concerned, if there is a single line statement or empty statement, always provide these braces. Means if we provide these curly braces, it is a good programming. If we provide braces for a single line statement or empty statement, it is a good programming, or is a better coding is concerned. A better programming, or this is a good programming is concerned, right? Now we talk about the fourth one, indentation. What is indentation? To put proper spaces, either 2x spaces or 4x spaces. 2x and 4x means multiple of 2 or multiple of 4 normally, right? Means when we write some code, so after that we should provide some spaces. This will distinguish two different block or two different syntax of that. Suppose here we write some class student, and after we just open a curly brace, and then we put a 4 space, and after suppose we write a method, suppose void get data, right? And then we open a curly brace into there, and after within that again put some 4 spaces, then we check some condition if a greater than b. So like that. So we need this some indentation. This needs some indentation, means needs some proper spaces. So this is a good programming. When you write some program, means if you provide proper indentation, means proper space, it is a good programming. And same way, don't mix up the indentation technique, means it should be consistent. I mean, don't use 2x, 4x simultaneously, or means multiple of 2 and multiple of 4 or multiple of 6 in a single code, not like that. When you're using it multiple of 2, so all indentation should be multiple of 2. If we're using multiple of 4, so then we put 4 spaces multiplication, whatever the order, either 4 or 8 or 12. In that way we just go for our indentation, right? Python language always follows proper indentation, right? If we miss some indentation, then it's an error in case of Python language, right? Now we talk about the fifth one, which is comments. It is very useful to use these comments to increase the readability, but it should be consistent, should be meaningful, but don't be unnecessary. Suppose when we do some sum function, when we write some sum function, means we add two number, then this is a meaningful comment. What? Function to add two numbers. But the second one is unnecessary. If we write int count equal to 100, don't need to provide variable count with value 100. So this type of comment in any language is concerned, when you quote, then don't need to provide this type of comments. These are unnecessary. So if we use comments meaningfully, it's very much useful and it's a better programming, better coding technique. And these techniques are so much helpful not only for your exam, not only to write a code. It's a good practice to follow all the 5 tricks when you write any program in any coding format. When you practice this coding technique in any language is concerned. And also it's very helpful to write code in interview or any internship when you are doing anywhere, right? So these are the different tricks whatever I have discussed today, and also it is a good practice to do such type of tricks should be maintained when you write your code or any programming language is concerned. I hope you have understood today's topic, because today's topic is very much important. If you follow or practice this different type of coding technique, and this practice becomes success in your interview time when they put some code in your exam or in your internship, or also when you write a code in any industry standard is concerned. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. Still you have any problem, so just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. So today, bye bye.